I want to just look good even when I'm at home. Ghost still got it. So it's vlog day today. I'm gonna do some cleaning and then so here's my theme these days is like I want to just look good even when I'm at home. I'm gonna try to do my lashes even though when I don't have makeup I don't want nothing on my face, but I want to just do my lashes, put on a cute lip gloss, you know, wear some cute pajamas. I feel good, my son feels good, the house look good, smells good, I smell good. Get ready with me to go to a YouTube Black event today in Birmingham. I literally was contemplating whether I want to go or not. I don't know how to use this and I want to use it for clear videos and that, and I did get it. I have the cold one. The weather is looking scrumptious, yum yum. Okay, this is what I'm hoping you guys can hear me. I finally figured out how to do it. I kept clicking the wrong one. I've been enjoying my hair out as of late, so we're just gonna wear our hair out because I've just been enjoying these classy looks and that. Low-key want to wear my wig. Like I really want to wear my wig because I can't be asked, but I still have to put, let me just say, I mean, I could try, but then I'll sweat more, wouldn't I? Of putting misting. Let me just see if I'm feeling the wig vibe today or not. Is this a vibe? A go-to of mine, Elizabeth who learned how to pray. Just finished makeup. I'm going after not doing makeup for a long time. It was really nice, you know, because it's like some people are familiar and not, and just to see that your girl still got it. Finally got home after such a long day. I hope you guys actually enjoyed, you know, just watching me get on with stuff as a makeup artist. But it's been so long and I'm so glad that I actually chose to do it. You're gonna hear Miss Rachel in the background because my son's here and we're vlogging. We're showing the real. But thank you so much guys for watching the vlog. I am so tired. I'm tired. No one ever explains how tiring it is to like do makeup. But over and out.